Hello guys, welcome back with a new recipe. Today we will be preparing the most loved street food. Guess what? Spicy and delicious egg chowmein. This recipe is quick, flavorful and perfect for those noodle lovers. So let's get started. First, let's move to the ingredients. So these are the ingredients which we may require for making the chowmein. First, we may require some noodles. Then we may require 3 large eggs. Then we may require some chopped carrots, capsicum and some cabbage. You can also use any other veggies. Then we may require some spring onion. And here I will be using soya sauce as well as chili sauce. So let's move to the step of preparation. First, in the large vessel, let's take some water and add our noodles into it. Don't overcook them because we want them just right so that they don't get mushy later. Then let's take another pan and crack our 3 eggs onto it. We'll scramble them lightly. This adds the perfect protein punch into our dish. Make sure to add some black pepper and salt for taste. You can also add some spring onions while cooking your egg. Once it's ready, keep it aside. Now, let's take another pan and add our veggies into it. Let's saute it for about 1 minute. Make sure to cook it at high flame. Keep mixing it continuously. Make sure you don't burn the veggies. Now at this point you can add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce into the pan and then mix it well. Keep mixing it for about 30 seconds and then you can add salt as per taste and 1 tablespoon of black pepper into the pan. Keep mixing it continuously. Then let's add 1 teaspoon of chili sauce into the pan and a little bit of chili flakes. Keep mixing it well until everything combines properly. After cooking the veggies, you can add the noodles into the vessel and mix it well so that the veggies combine with the noodles properly. Now keep cooking it at low flame. You can also add some tomato sauce. It is totally optional. Now we can add some spring onions over our noodles and also our cooked egg into the vessel and give it a nice mix. So our egg chowmein is ready. It smells absolutely amazing, spicy and full of flavor. Garnish it with some spring onions or chili flakes if you like it hot and serve it right away. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye.